Right behind me, our heavy-duty single-shaft shredder, a high-effectively, high-capacity shredder solution designed for taut metal waste. The shredder-type shredder is capable of handling wide range of materials, including aluminum can bundles, aluminum profiles, metal chips, and broken aluminum frames. With high-speed sharing action, its assembly reduces bulky material waste of your desired particle size. Equipped with a large capacity hopper and hydraulic swim arm pusher, the machine enjoys steady pressure during the shredding process for smooth, consistent feeding and superior shredding performance. Once material enters this shredding chamber, the hydraulic swing arm pushes towards the rotor shaft. The cutting blades on rotating shaft and fixed customers' blades work together to share and crush the material. The shredded material exists through the screen and output the size of determined by the screen mesh size. The shredded body features a carbon and moisturized welded fertile design, extremely sturdy and long-lasting. The modular assembly makes it easy to install, service, and maintain, cutting down your downtime. Rotor of shaft, crafted 42 CRMO alloy steel, the rotor shaft undergoes multiple treatments: row machine, treatments, precision machine, and CNG milling of Congress government for durability, anti-jamming performance, and high effectiveness sharing. The blades are made of specially heat-treated DC-53 tool steel and can be rotated for multiple uses, covering replacement cost. Screen system comes with a removable screen or adjustable output sizes, typically 20-40 millimeters. Phenol plastic screen assigned access allow for fast screen changes, minimizing downtime. Power system equipped with the Siemens motor, Germany, and Boning gearbox, China, for powerful, consistent torque output. The system includes shock absorbent to reduce impact and protect key drivetrain components. Electrical system built with the Schneider PLC control system for smart, safe, and different operations. User-friendly interface make it easy to operate and manage. CA in this machine certified with multiple safety mechanism, lockable maintenance doors, safety switches, emergency stop buttons, overload protection. The machine can be also integrated in a full production line with conveyors for automatic feeding and discharge, reducing manual labor and improving efficiency. Our large single-shaft shredder is engaged based on UK blueprints and manufactures strict European standards. Core components like blades and made from diligent high-wear German steel, offering an excellent durability and long life service. All structure undergo a high-temperature tempering process, enduring a long-term mechanism strength and demonstration accuracy. The electrical system features built-in overlaid detection, keep both operator and equipment safe during operation. Whether used standard alone or a part of complete shredding timeline, this machine delivers industrial-grade power, effectiveness, and durability.